Hello students, we are going to deal with the topic from organic chemistry, that is halogen derivatives of alkanes. In the last lecture we have studied already what is meant by halogen derivatives and classification of halogen derivatives of the compounds. In that case we have seen there are two types of the organic compounds which are haloalkenes, haloalkynes, haloarenes. All these are classified in two types mainly. That is, the first is on the basis of the carbon skeleton structure, and second one we have seen, that is the organic compounds are classified as the basis of number of halogen atoms present in the organic compound, that are the monohalogen, dihalogen, trihalogen, polyhalogen derivatives. Now we are going to deal with the classification of monohalogen derivatives of the haloalkenes, haloalkynes, haloarenes. In that case, classification of monohalogen compounds. The first is alkyl halides. They are also called as haloalkanes. Alkanes are the saturated hydrocarbons having a general formula CnH2n plus 2, called as alkanes. In alkanes, one or more hydrogen atom from alkanes has been replaced by one or more halogen atom. Then there is a formation of monohalogen, dihalogen, trihalogen, tetrahalogen derivatives. We are going to deal with the monohalogen derivatives of the compounds. They are classified in 6 types. First one is the alkyl halides. These are also called as haloalkanes. Second one is the allylic halide. Third one is the benzylic halides. Fourth one is the vinylic halide. They are also called as haloalkenes. Next one is the haloalkyne. And last one is the aryl halides, that are the haloarenes. In the first case, we are going to deal with the haloalkanes. In monohaloalkane, they are classified as a primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides or haloalkanes. That is, the primary haloalkanes are the compounds in which, see here I have written one example, RCH2X. X means a halogen. In this case, halogen atom is bonded to that carbon atom. This is a primary carbon atom, because this carbon atom bonded with halogen atom, it carbon is a sp3 hybridized. So in this case, these are the saturated carbon skeleton compounds. Haloalkanes are the saturated carbon skeleton compounds in which halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon atom, that is first degree carbon atom. Hence these are called as monohalogen primary alkyl halides or haloalkanes. Means this is a sp3 hybridized carbon atom bonded with the halogen, hence it is a sp3 hybridized carbon. R means any alkyl group. It may be CH3, C2H5, C3H7. It means R. R means alkyl halide. So this is the carbon atom, this is primary carbon. Why this is primary carbon? Because X, that is halogen, is bonded to primary carbon atom. Hence it is a sp3 hybridized, and this is a monohalogen, but it is a primary alkyl halide or primary haloalkanes. Second one example is the secondary haloalkane. In this case, I have written one example. This is RCH-R. This is the secondary carbon atom, because besides this carbon atom, there are two carbon atoms. This R is a alkyl group. Here there is a carbon, here there is a carbon, but this halogen, that is X, is attached to secondary carbon atom, that is 2 degree carbon atom. It is also sp3 hybridized. because it is a saturated carbon skeleton. To the secondary carbon, X is attached or X is bonded. This is secondary carbon atom bonded to X, that is halogen. So it is called as secondary haloalkane. It is also a saturated carbon skeleton. Third one is a tertiary alkyl halide or haloalkanes. I have written one example. RCRR. R means any alkyl group. It may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, anyone. So in this case, around this carbon atom, there are 3 carbon atoms. This is 1, 2 and 3. Hence it is called as tertiary carbon atom. The halogen atom, that is X, is bonded to tertiary carbon atom. It is also a sp3 hybridized. It is also a saturated carbon skeleton. All these are the haloalkanes are saturated. Why? There is a single bond only between the carbon-carbon skeleton. See here single bond, carbon, single bond, carbon, single bond, single bond. It means all these are the saturated carbon skeleton. See again here, this is primary carbon atom, halogen atom bonded to primary carbon atom. It is a secondary carbon atom bonded with halogen atom, that is X. It means around this carbon atom there are 2 carbon atoms. In this case, it is a central carbon atom. Around these 3 carbon atoms are present, bonded with this tertiary X. All the carbon atoms are sp3 hybridized and the structures are saturated carbon skeleton. This is one type of the monohalogen derivatives of the alkanes. Second one is the allylic halide. See here, I have written one example. CH2 double bond CH, CH2X. There is a double bond, means it is a alkene. It is called as haloalkene. It is a allylic halide because in this case X atom, that is halogen atom, is bonded to primary carbon atom once again. But it is a unsaturated compound. Why unsaturated compound? Because carbon-carbon has a double bond. Such compounds are called as allylic compound. In this case, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. It means the halogen atom bonded to that carbon atom, which is a alkene. Why alkene? There is a double bond. Hence it is alkene. In this case, this is first, second, third. This is a aliphatic chain, aliphatic compound, but it is unsaturated compound. Hence this is the carbon atom present here. It is a sp3 hybridized. Then this X atom, means halogen atom, is bonded to in alkene, which is a primary carbon atom. It is a sp3 hybridized state. Hence it is called as allylic halide, isn't it? The third one is a benzylic halides. Benzene, you know, it is a aromatic compound. It is a arene. Arenes means aromatic compound. Benzene resembling structure is called as aromatic compound. In this case, I have written one example. This is a benzene. There is a again CH2X. It is a side chain. It is a benzene ring, C6H6. That is alternate double bond. It is also unsaturated compound, but it is a closed chain compound. The closed chain compound has it is a primary carbon atom. In this case, this is a primary carbon atom present, bonded with X. It is a indirectly bonded. This is a primary carbon atom. This is a benzene ring. It is an aromatic compound, benzylic, alternate double bond. So this carbon atom is bonded to benzene ring, but this halogen atom is bonded to this carbon atom. It means it is also a sp3 hybridized. In case of benzylic compound, there is a primary carbon atom outside the ring, and this halogen atom is bonded to this carbon atom. It is also a sp3 hybridized. Such compounds are called as benzylic halide. It is a benzene and it is a halogen, hence it is called as benzylic halide, isn't it? Next one is the vinylic halide. It is also called as haloalkenes. There is some difference, you know. Here there is a allylic halide, it is also alkene. Here there is a double bond once again, but in this case this is CH2 double bond CHX. This carbon atom is bonded to this carbon atom with double bond. See here there is also double bond, but in case of X it is attached to the single bond, that is a primary carbon atom. In this case CH2 double bond CHX, that means this halogen atom is bonded to carbon with double bond. It is also unsaturated alkene and it is a sp2 hybridized. Once again see, here it is a sp3. Why sp3? It is bonded to this carbon atom with single bond. But in this case this carbon atom is bonded, this carbon atom it is unsaturated, but it is bonded, that is halogen is bonded to carbon which is sp2 hybridized, hence it is called as vinylic halide or haloalkenes. Don't confuse this and this. This is a allylic, this is a vinylic. See the compound, see this compound, it is sp3 hybridized, it is a sp2 hybridized. Next one is the haloalkyne. Alkynes are the unsaturated hydrocarbons having a triple bond, at least one triple bond in carbon-carbon skeleton. See here I have written one example, CH triple bond CX. That means here it is a alkene, X is the halogen, carbon-carbon between this there is a triple bond. Due to this triple bond, this carbon atom bonded to halogen, that means it carbon is a sp hybridized. So carbon bonded to unsaturated, that is carbon-carbon triple bond, and there is a bonding between this carbon and X, that means the halogen. So such compounds are called as haloalkyne. YNE means triple bond. So it is a haloalkyne. This will be the fifth monohalogen compound. It is a type or classification. The last one is the aryl halides. Aryl means aromatic compounds. We have seen in the last year classification of organic compound. In that classification we have studied what is by aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds are those compounds which are benzene resembling structure. That means C6H6 benzene resembling structure is called as aromatic compound. In this case this is a aromatic compound benzene, isn't it? Directly carbon atom in the aromatic compound is bonded with X. Here there is a carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is a closed chain compound. It is also unsaturated compound. Unsaturation character means there is alternate double bond, isn't it? So this halogen atom is directly bonded to carbon atom in the benzene. Here you have seen, here in benzylic halide the carbon atom is bonded to outside the chain. This is a carbon atom, this is bonded to the carbon atom. In this case X is attached to the side chain. Here this halogen atom is directly bonded to carbon in the ring. Hence such compounds are called as aryl halides or haloarenes. So all these about the classification of monohalogen compounds. First one alkyl halides, haloalkanes. Second one is the allylic halide. We have seen, which is sp3 hybridized. Here also primary, secondary, tertiary. Next one is the allylic halide. it is also sp3 hybridized. Which is sp3 hybridized? This carbon is sp3 hybridized. In benzylic halide, benzene atom, but this is side chain of benzene. Carbon atom, it is also sp3 hybridized. Here in case of vinylic halide, that is haloalkenes, directly bonded with the carbon-carbon double bond, sp2 hybridized. In haloalkynes, sp hybridized. And in case of aryl halides or haloarenes, this X is attached to the directly benzene ring, carbon compound, which is a sp2 hybridized. So all these about the classification of monohalogen compounds. Hello guys, we have studied the classification of monohalogen compounds. The next point will be continued in the next part. Thank you so much.